To remove the fog light bulb, I'm showing you with the bumper off the car. You will be doing this from underneath, in that gap you can see there. So remove the connector from the back of the fitting by pressing in this retaining spring here. Now to remove the bulb, twist anti-clockwise, and you've got a H1 bulb. The flat side goes to the flat side on here. So you've got the top written on the wing here. Insert the small peg at this angle here. Obviously this is a lot easier for me with the bumper off the car. You'll be doing this from underneath in this area here. I hope this video has helped. If you could take the time to like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And thanks for watching.